The simple process behind soy sauce. Steamed soybeans and roasted wheat are inoculated with a special mold. This stage develops the enzymes that break down proteins and starches into amino acids and sugars. Next, fermentation. The inoculated soybeans are mixed with wheat and brine for several months and left to ferment, and this is where flavor develops and it gets its unique taste through natural enzymatic and microbial activity. During fermentation and maturation, the salt water creates the moromi mash, which ferments slowly, often for months. Yeast and lactic acid bacteria develop deep flavor, aroma, and color. The traditional method of extraction after fermentation involves taking the moromi mash and it's poured into cloth bags and pressed slowly to extract the liquid. It's done by stacking the bags and applying gentle pressure, letting the soy sauce drip out naturally overnight. Modern methods use hydraulic presses for the same effect. Next is pasteurization, where the raw soy sauce is gently heated to stop microbial activity and deepen its color and aroma. This step also extends its life. In this simple method, the raw soy sauce goes through a coarse filter mash. Then a multi-stage filtration system, the use of a settling tank used in artisanal soy sauce production. This allows suspended particles to settle. This quiet stage is where sediments sink naturally and the flavors mellow into perfect balance before final filtration and bottling. And finally, at the heart of every soy sauce brewery is the Toji, the Master Brewer. Guided by experience and intuition, they watch over every stage of fermentation, tasting, adjusting, and nurturing the balance of umami, aroma, and color. And this is what defines the final brew. In French classical cooking, there are 5 main mother sauces, the foundation of countless dishes. But in Asian cuisine, everything begins with one soy sauce. From this single base, endless flavor variations are born. The magical world of soy sauce derivatives. Some popular examples are ponzu or citrus soy. It's a citrus-based soy sauce, tangy, savory, and slightly sweet, used as a dipping sauce or dressing, especially good with sashimi, even with cold soba noodles. These are some dishes that I made in Japan. Also great with crispy deep-fried tofu and tempura. Next is tensuyu, a soy sauce base using sugar, mirin, and sake, widely used as a seasoning base in hot pot or sukiyaki. Ketchup manis, a thick Indonesian-based soy sauce, deeply sweet, used in fried rice, satay, or noodles. Hoisin is a Chinese soy-based sauce made with fermented soybean, sugar, vinegar, garlic, and spices. Sweet and tangy, used in marinades, stir-fries, and Peking duck. Soy vinegar dipping sauce, vinegar, chilies, garlic, and soy base. Uses from dumplings to grilled meats. Oyster sauce from China. Oyster sauce from China is rich in umami depth, essential for Cantonese stir-fries and greens. There are many more examples, but my 7th and final example is garlic soy sauce, containing mainly garlic, sugar, sesame oil, and sometimes chilies, used in Korean fried chicken and Filipino marinades. That's it for now. I hope you found this video interesting and informative. Next time you cook, don't just splash it on. Taste and choose the right soy sauce for your dish. It's not just a condiment, it's the soul of flavor. Join me next week where I bring you 7 soy sauce upgrade recipes right here on Majid's Kitchen. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch the video and discover what soy sauce can do for you.